Hi, we're making upside down water.
Upside down water. Okay.
We need an index card, clear water, clear plastic cup, water.
Mm-hmm.
To
Mm.
procedure, do this experiment over a sink. Fill the cup halfway water.
Mm-hmm. We can do it later. We'll first read off the steps and then we can do it.
Put the index card on top of the cup. Put your hand over the card. Turn the cup upside down the sink.
Down over the sink.
Over the sink. Wait 2 seconds, then move your hand away.
Okay. So let's try it out. Okay. Okay. Let's start the experiment. What's the first step?
Put it halfway the glass.
Hold the cup properly.
It's halfway, right?
Do you think it's half?
No, yeah, this.
Little more can go. It's not halfway.
Yeah, but you?
We'll see if you think. Look at it. Do you think it's half?
And this.
That is the correct. Yeah.
Who's still here, right? It's halfway.
It's half? Or you want to pour a little more?
No, I'm gonna go like this. It's like right here.
What is the half of the glass? Where you want to go is not the question.
This is the half.
Okay. Then that is where you have to pour the water. Yeah. That's good enough. Now what do you have to do?
Put this on to the thing.
Yeah. First keep it centered. Is it correctly centered?
Yeah.
Okay.
It's like in the oval.
There's no gaps in between. Is the card correct? Put your hand nicely like this. Yes.
Wait, like if you do it facing that way, so it'll be.
Yeah. Now overturn it slowly. Let's see. Don't leave your hand. Hold it for 2 seconds. Move. See, it's not to the center. Yes.
Oh my god, big spoon.
Pressed nicely. Did it stick?
No.
No. Press it nicely because half the water went away. Now leave your hand.
Okay.
Not that hand. Down hand. Okay. Turn it over. Okay. Pour one more time. Half the glass.
Oh yeah, I spilled everything.
That's okay. We can change your dress. Half. Yes. Is it half or little more? It went little more. So remove that little water. Okay. It's okay. When you turn anyway, some water will go out. Press it first. Hold it. Your palm should be on top of the glass. Wait. Palm should be in the middle so that you tighten. No air should pass or water should not come out. Not like that. You just hold it. It won't stick now. Turn.
No, I don't want to.
Leave it.
Wait, leave this hand?
Not this hand. The other hand. It didn't stick? Okay, let me give it a try.
How do you do it? Here we go. You're making.
Okay.
It's halfway.
Yeah, I think it's half.
That's less than half.
The paper is already tearing. It's after so many trials of experiments. Hopefully it should work.
Please work.
You want to give it a try?
Yeah.
Turn it and keep it straight. Turn it. Yeah. Press it. Give it a press. And don't pull the glass. Pull your hand out. Remove your hand out. Actually, you don't remove the hand. Wait. Your hand is twisted. Why is your hand twisted?
It's not.
Your hand should be here, not like this.
Like this?
No, hand. Put your hand this side. Hold it. Give it a press. See, water is going. Then remove your down hand. Yeah, you got it.
No, I didn't.
Take 10. Move it to the center. Slowly put your hand properly. Remove your hand down. Don't pull the glass. Yeah, it came out. It came. Leave. Good. Little better. Take 11.
What take 6?
Yeah. Is it in the center?
Yeah.
Now remove your hand. Don't pull the glass. Just remove your hand. There, it moved. Hold the glass. You're not holding. Yes. Press it a bit if you want. Remove your down hand. What? You got it finally. It was take 11.
It takes 6.
Sometimes it takes 6.
6.
Yeah, 6. I was just joking. See? So now let's understand what is the secret behind, the magic behind, or the secret behind this. So friends, sometimes it doesn't happen in the first try. You have to do 6 tries. Don't lose your patience. Ivan was very happy when he was not getting.
Yeah, I just did something, so I wanted to do that, you know.
Yeah, I know. Enough. We want to do one more try?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see one more time. Now he got the confidence. Yes.
By the edge, yo. Oh my God.
Press it a bit. Yeah. And leave it. Yay.
This time I
Please.
didn't really want
Please.
to. Please like and subscribe my channel. Bye, guys.
The water splashes on your hair.
Nothing. No, it's not.
And it's so confident you became about the experiment. Yeah, that's good. And it's so let's see why this is happening. What's this all about? When you flip the cup, the air outside of the cup pushes on the card. The air pushes harder than the water inside the cup. If you wiggle the card before you move your hand, the water molecules on the card and the rim of the cup will stick together. Then air cannot get in and equalize the pressure. So there are some more fun ideas. Use different amounts of water, try different types of paper, find out how long you can hold the cup upside down before the water starts to spill out. Try plastic cups of different sizes and shapes. Write a letter or an email to a friend or a relative. Tell about the experiment you did. Explain how it works and what your results were. So Ivan will be doing this later. Thank you guys.